Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Tenants in the building.
Wagwan Cufflinks family, welcome back to another video right here on Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, we give you fun, we give you inspiration, we're real, and we're educational. What happened to you? What happened to you?
I said, too long, I'm tired.
Oh, you're tired? Oh, shit. Welcome back, guys, to another video. To all our new subscribers, welcome to the family. Happy to have you as part of the Cufflinks family. Thank you so much. And to all our family members who have been here with us on this journey with us since last year or even since last week, thank you so very much for being a part of the Stuff from the Cuffs family. We're so very happy to have you. Yep. So we have some exciting news to tell you. Well, it's not really news per se, because if you're living in Jamaica, you would have seen the promo on TV already, or you may have seen the poster on social media. But we wanted to come and give you this surprise that we've been holding in since last week, when we told you that we were not posting last week Sunday because of something that was in the works, and we're going to tell you a little bit about that today so that you can keep up with what's happening. So babe, go ahead. Go ahead. He's blushing, he's nervous, and he's excited.
Jamaicans, I come on TV. Non-Jamaicans, I'll be appearing on television.
National television. Put that in. Right, he'll be appearing on national television. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is not his first TV appearance, but this is his first appearance in a situation like this, on a talk show.
You've seen me on TV. You've heard me on the radio, but you've never seen me like this.
Yes, you've never quite seen him like this. Trust me, you've never seen him like this. Guys, we are going to... It's going to be amazing. So before we talk about it a little bit more, let's take a sneak peek at the promo that's been running on TV.
It was a point where I stopped praying. I was like, whatever happens, happens. When you get so caught up in looking at what you want to achieve, that you forget that what you are actually achieving at home is being destroyed, it's a rude awakening. I remember people coming to us and telling us they wish they had the marriage that we had.
I know it was a tough choice, especially to leave your dream job to come and be with us, not knowing what it would entail, but you literally saved us.
Sim Soul Sessions, Monday nights at 8:30 p.m. right here on TVJ.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we can't give away what the show is all about, but we will tell you that it is hosted by Simone Clark Cooper, the name of the show.
The great.
Yes.
The legend that she is.
Yes.
She's been around from, I remember, she's been around from rapping.
I don't remember that, but I know of it. Whatever. We know you're older,
young,
babe.
Or them say young bird, I don't know. But that's all I
Yes,
say.
man, you don't even know what it said. Right, so Simone Clark Cooper is the host of Sim Soul Sessions on TVJ. For those of you who are not Jamaicans, TVJ is one of our national free-to-air TV stations that everybody can get access to. So she has been hosting this show for how many seasons?
I think this is the
Third season, and it comes on air every Monday night at 8:30 p.m. And this week, on Monday, March 15, 2021, Brian will be featured on Sim Soul Sessions. From the promo, and some persons have been commenting on social media already saying that they feel like they're about to get emotional. And this is a story. I'm talking a lot because Brian is so nervous about the interview. This story is something that you've heard before. You've heard parts of it before here on Stuff from the Cuffs, but you've never quite heard it like this, guys. It was an amazing experience. And how was it for you?
It was good.
Guys, we vlogged, we did a lot of behind the scenes and all of that. So after that video airs on TVJ on Monday, March 15 at 8:30 p.m., we want you to hurry and come back over to this channel right here, Stuff from the Cuffs, to see our behind the scenes vlog of that experience. It promises to be amazing.
So don't miss the episode. And then, right after the episode, jump on over to right here on our YouTube platform. And we will be talking a bit more about it and sharing some of the not seen footage. Who to tell? You may laugh, you may cry, you may be amused, you may not be. But all in all, it's going to be a good experience. So it was a good experience for me. Let me tell you, it ranks up there among my top. You've heard me talk about the Barack Obama tour. You've heard me talk about being a part of the media party for the Tivoli incursion. You've heard me talk about some other big things, working in some of these sporting arenas, boys and girls jams, World Cup, Sim Soul Sessions.
Yeah, it definitely ranks as one of Brian's most memorable experiences, and we can't wait for our Cufflinks family to actually see that video. So make sure, guys, that you tune in tomorrow night, which is Monday, March 15, 2021. Make sure that you tune into TVJ at 8:30 and then run on over right here on Stuff from the Cuffs to see the behind the scenes footage of that experience. Yeah?
Do you think I acted? It's me. See, do you think I did a poem? Roses are red, life continues. Do you think I cried?
Do you think
Maybe
you cried?
it's time to get some tissues. See how I did there? I did the poem. See what I did there?
Well,
do you think I sang?
We're gonna see.
Do you think?
We're gonna see.
Yeah. There's so many things, guys. I just look forward to it. I'm a bit anxious. I'm a bit, I won't say nervous, but there are some jitters.
What?
Every time you put yourself out there.
It's not the first time you've been on TV, but I think, especially for Sim Soul Sessions, it's a place where you get to be vulnerable and very open and transparent. And you kind of just let go. Yeah.
With which it is at is pretty big.
Magnitude meaning what?
It's pretty big, the amount of persons. It's going to be on, as Bass said, national TV. Based on my memory, just out of my head, the station that it is on has a big percentage of the market share, right? The majority.
And it's in prime time.
And it's in prime time, and it's a loved show, and it will be put on YouTube after that, and it's going to be on their social media platforms. The reach that it will have is pretty big.
All right, so for those who are not in Jamaica and you will not get a chance to watch it live, they'll be posting it on their YouTube page on Thursday. And so we'll definitely share that video on our channel so that you can check it out. But for those who are living here in Jamaica, or you have One Spot Media, because those overseas can pay to get One Spot Media, right? You can watch it on TVJ or One Spot Media for free. And those overseas, if you have One Spot Media, because I think it's a subscription, it's a subscription thing, you can also watch it there at 8:30. Yeah, guys, so it's going to be amazing.
There's
I am
surprises.
excited.
Surprises.
I am excited, guys. I am very excited, and we're not going to tell you much more because we want you to
We'll tell you about
feel
it
it all.
in the behind the scenes and the after party.
Yeah, we'll tell you more about it. But before we go, guys, we want to do some supporter shout outs, right? So we want to shout out some of our supporters who have been commenting and who have been, just showing us a lot of love. Guys, we cannot call all the names, but I want to personally big up Yashika Coleman. I remember it was last week or the week before, Yashika sent a whole heap of people over to the page. There were so many comments saying, Yashika sent me. I love your channel. Yashika referred it to me. Thank you for welcoming us to be a part of this family. Yashika told me about you guys. Yashika, big up yourself. Thank you so very much.
Big up yourself, Yashika.
Also want to big up Janelle Plummer. Janelle is one of our top commenters. Oh my goodness. She's one of the most entertaining commenters on our channel. Big ups, Janelle. Anybody you want to big up? Ashley Marshall.
Yeah,
Ashley Marshall. Big up yourself.
I made mention of Walik Bogle some time ago, but Walik is like probably one of the youngest fans and supporters, and Walik messages me a lot, and he's always talking about us, and we've been inspiring him, and he wants to start his channel. Let's see how that goes, Walik.
All right. And of course, there are so many of you guys, so many of you. We thank you for your support. We thank you for your blessings and your love. There's one person who commented and said, "Una can't call me name." They say Dixon. Big ups to you.
You sure it's they say?
Yes.
Oh, una need for call me name.
Una need for call me name. They say Dixon. Big up
name call
yourself. Yeah. All right. And to Samik and all of the other residents and tenants and green card holders, permanent residents, everybody, big up yourself, guys.
All squatter them to big up on yourself.
Big up yourself.
Don't know. Can't do without the squatters.
We would not be where we are and who we are without you. And so to all our supporters, all 6,000 odd of you, thank you for being a part of the Cufflinks family. And we look forward to giving you more content that's fire, fun, inspirational, real, and educational.
Pray for me here. We're going to be doing a reaction video while we are watching the video. I'm going to be seeing myself, and I'm going to be seeing Bass doing what she did. And we're going to watch it, and we're going to react to it. That should be pretty good.
All right. Yes, guys. Blessings. Thank you so much for watching another video. Remember to tune in to Sim Soul Sessions on TVJ here in Jamaica.
And don't just watch our own. Watch Sim Soul Sessions.
All together.
Amazing episodes. Big ups to Simone and Lori and the team for what you guys
Lori,
are doing.
best friend.
Yeah, it's really inspirational.
Big ups, guys. Big ups. Thank you guys so much for watching. Monday, March 15, 8:30 p.m. on TVJ and One Spot Media. You can't afford to miss it. But if you do, they'll have a repeat. Plus, the video will be out on YouTube very soon. So stay tuned for that. Cufflinks, we're out.
In the building.
Go breathe.